Okay, class, we are going to start today with comparing fractions. And first, I want to make sure that everyone is on this site and you can see my screen, so afterward you know how to get there. So today we're going to be talking about equivalent fractions. So first, I want you to think to yourself, what does equivalent mean? If you want to go ahead and pause the video while you're thinking, that's fine. But equivalent pretty much means that they are the same. So with that being said, what do you think an equivalent fraction would be? Once again, go ahead, you can pause the video and come back to it later. But an equivalent fraction pretty much means that the fractions are the same. They may not look the same, they may not have the same numerator and denominator, but they are the same. So first I want to go ahead and look at 1/2 and 1/2. Obviously, these are equivalent because they are the same. But what if we started with 1/2 and 1/3? You can drag this over to make as much as you want. So we're going to have 1/3 and 1/2. Do you think these are equivalent? Well, no, these are not equivalent because this one is 1/2, this is how much is shaded, and this one is 1/3. So 1/3 is less than 1/2, as you can see down here on the number line. Now if we continue to make this 1/4, as you can see, 1/4 is now even smaller than 1/2. But if you look at the number line, it also shows how they are a bigger gap between them. So if we look at this 1/4 right here and 1/2, do you think we can change this 1/4 to make it equivalent to 1/2? Well, yes, we can. We can change the numerator to 2, and that would make 2/4. And as you can see, 1/2 and 2/4 is equivalent. The same amount is shaded. Even though we have more parts, the same amount is shaded. And down here on the number line, you can see that as well. So what about 2/5? Is 1/2 and 2/5 equivalent? No, as you can see, this is not equivalent. This is taking up less space than what 1/2 is. But once again, if we change the denominator to 2/6, is that equivalent? No, it is not equivalent because this is a smaller space than what this one over here, the red one, is. But if we were to change the numerator to 3/6, as you can see, this is the same. We have the same amount of space on 1/2 and 3/6, so those are equivalent, just like this is shown below. Well, I hope this has helped you with your assignment and to get started. This is just a tool that you can use to help you along with your problem, so feel free if you have any questions to ask me.